Hi everyone! Today we're making two appetizers for Christmas. We're making creamy spinach dip and a simple Israeli salad. First, let's start with the creamy spinach dip. Heat the pan on medium-high heat, add some olive oil, place the spinach. Don't overcrowd the pan. Allow the spinach to wilt before adding more. Cover the pan to allow the steam to cook the spinach. Keep repeating the same process until all the spinach are cooked. Take a colander and transfer the spinach. You have to drain to remove the excess water. Squeeze it with your hands or something heavy to get rid of the water. Chop the spinach into smaller pieces and set this aside. Here's a pan with medium-high heat. Add in the butter. I'm using plant-based butter for this one. You can use regular butter if you like. Add in the garlic. The onions and saute for at least 5 minutes. Add in the spinach. If it dries up, you can add more butter. Then add in 1.5 tablespoons of flour. Season it with salt first. The pepper comes later. Slowly add in the milk. I'm using almond milk for this. You can use regular milk or heavy cream. Let the sauce get thicker as it simmers. Once it's thicker, add in the cream cheese. Mozzarella. Some parmesan. Nutmeg. And a pinch of black pepper. Here's a mini baguette. We're going to toast this, spread over some olive oil on the bread, and top it with the spinach. Then sprinkle some mozzarella and parmesan cheese. Toast this in the air fryer for 5 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. Here's the creamy spinach dip. Before we proceed to the next recipe, let me take a bite. So delicious! Now, for the salad, this is very easy to make. In a bowl, just mix all together the diced cucumbers, tomato, green bell peppers, onions, then season it with a small pinch of sea salt and some lemon juice. Then transfer it to a smaller bowl for plating and garnish it with parsley leaves. And here's our Israeli salad. Thanks for watching!